Mahali din siya.
In the basket.
Mahali din siya.
Number 1, pass to number 13 to number 15, number 15, in the basket. Number 4, pass to number 9. Number 9, ano yun? Bunkers ball. Number 2. To number 15. Number 15 for 2 in the basket. 1 minute and 35 seconds left. Number 4. Number 4. Save number 5. Number 5 in the basket. Number 2. Pass to number 1. Number 1 for 2. No basket. Save number 6. For 2. No basket. Remember number 11. Intercept. 1 piece ball. Number 4. Pass to number 5. Number 5 for 2. No basket. Remember number 15. Foul. Number 5. Number 5. That was your second personal foul. 1 minute left. Stop. Number 2. Pass to number 1. Number 1 for 3. No basket. Number 13. Number 13. First personal foul. 52 seconds left. 60. No basket. 40 seconds. 35. 30. 35. 20.